Today's headline is about growing tensions as some South Africans claim that foreigners are asserting rights over South Africa, going as far as taking the government to court. The controversy has stirred emotions across the country, sparking debates about immigration, legal rights, and the balance between national and foreign interests. Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is a video and picture news about the recent court case where South Africans argue that foreigners are overstepping their bounds, challenging government decisions, and claiming rights in ways that locals feel are unfair. Please watch till the end to see the sources and verify the news yourself. The court case has captured the attention of many citizens who feel that the government is being pressured by legal actions brought forward by foreign nationals. While immigration laws exist to protect people's rights, some residents argue that certain groups are taking advantage of the system, using legal channels to secure benefits and opportunities that locals believe should primarily serve South African citizens. Reports indicate that the case centers on claims brought by foreigners regarding access to services, business spaces, and other rights usually prioritized for citizens. Locals have expressed frustration that these claims are challenging the government's ability to implement policies aimed at supporting South African residents first. In Johannesburg and other urban centers, the issue is especially visible. Markets, trading spaces, and local businesses have long been hotspots of tension between foreign traders and South African vendors. Many locals argue that the legal system should ensure fairness, protecting the livelihoods of citizens while still respecting the rights of foreigners who live and work legally in the country. Legal experts point out that the case raises complex questions about constitutional rights, equality, and the responsibilities of the government. South Africa's constitution guarantees certain rights to everyone within the country, including foreigners, but it also allows for the state to create regulations that prioritize citizens in specific areas such as jobs, business opportunities, and social services. The court's ruling will be crucial in clarifying these boundaries. Community reactions have been mixed. Some South Africans see the legal action by foreigners as an overreach, describing it as an attempt to claim ownership over the country's systems. Others caution against framing foreigners as adversaries, warning that xenophobic narratives could escalate tensions unnecessarily. Social media has been flooded with opinions, from heated debates to memes poking fun at the situation, reflecting how emotionally charged the issue has become. Government officials have stressed the importance of following the law while also protecting citizens' interests. Authorities say they are carefully monitoring the case and preparing responses that uphold both legal obligations and the expectations of South Africans. Departments involved in immigration, trade, and social services are reportedly coordinating to ensure that policies are applied fairly and transparently. Economists and local business associations have also weighed in, highlighting the economic implications of the case. Johannesburg and other major cities rely heavily on informal and small-scale trading, where both citizens and foreign nationals operate. Any legal precedent that changes who can trade or access business spaces could significantly affect local economies, supply chains, and employment opportunities. While emotions run high, experts advise caution and patience as the court process unfolds. Legal battles of this nature often take time, and the outcomes can influence not only current policies but also future legislation regarding immigration and citizens' rights. For many South Africans, this case is seen as part of a broader struggle to balance national priorities with constitutional protections. The debate also touches on social cohesion. Communities across the country are diverse, with many areas relying on collaboration between locals and foreigners to sustain businesses and social networks. How the government and courts handle disputes like this can impact community relations and trust in public institutions. At the same time, human rights organizations emphasize that legal action is a legitimate way for anyone, including foreigners, to seek justice or protect their interests. They warn against oversimplifying the situation or framing it purely as a conflict between citizens and foreigners, pointing out that legal processes are meant to resolve disputes in a fair and structured manner. For citizens following this case, staying informed is critical. Understanding the legal arguments, the government's position, and the rights of all parties involved can help prevent misinformation and reduce tension in affected communities. Authorities encourage public engagement while urging calm and lawful behavior. Before we finish, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and turn on notifications to stay updated on important news developments like this one. Real events like these affect many people, and keeping informed is the best way to understand what's happening in your city and country. And to end on a lighter note, in situations like this, sometimes it feels like everyone is in a courtroom drama, with citizens, foreigners, and government officials all waiting for the next plot twist. At least we don't need popcorn while reading the judgments, though it might make following the case more entertaining. All images used are for illustration purposes only. Sources: News 24, Times Live, IOL, Daily Maverick, Eyewitness News.